Oh, there's two elevators. Look at this. Oh, epic. Oh, wow, this was an Otis? Oh, wow. Look at this, when it goes by the floors, the bit of going up. This is cool. I've never seen a Delta traction. Look at this panel. It's kind of hard to see. There's two elevators here apparently. Came with this was Otis. Let's try 3. Those are satisfying. This dude. Wow, leaving that lights up. This door closed now. Watch this. Whoa. Go down?
Anytime. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sometime in late September, we started getting some 50-degree type weather. And it's like, wow, and highs are 78, 80, and not 90, you know. And so we've been, but today was a 46-degree morning.
That is cool.
Yeah. So I got up.
This
and
early, yeah.
I went, it was 5 in the morning or whatever when I went exercise, and I got in. It's 46. That's different. Now we're turning the corner towards winter.
This thing is awesome. Oh my God, that motor. We'll come back to this one. Let's ride this one more time. Love that motor. Okay, this is a cool find. Oh, hold on. Love that. Let's do 3. What a fascinating mod. I love how the lantern goes on. Watch this one. I know what's out here. Watch this one. It switches. Oh, great. We might be going up. No, we're going down. Okay, good. This is awesome. Look at these buttons. I don't even know if anyone's been on a Delta traction. It's undone. Let's see. Probably gonna come back down here. I love these buttons. Satisfying. Even door open lights up. Probably gonna have to end on 1. Probably end here. I feel better ending on 1 though. God, I love that motor. What a cool elevator. Look at that. That is just so cool. That's it.